Guys, before the video starts, I just want to let y'all know Friday Night Lights is going down this Friday in Greenville in front of the Planet Fitness parking lot. We're going to be there, guys. Look at JoJo. She's ready to go win some big bucks at the casino. But yeah, guys, I forgot to put that in the video. Here's the trailer for it. And guys, buy y'all's merch. Thank you for everything. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. And yeah, thank y'all for the support.
Holanda activa ya en Culiacán, quisieron apresar al joven que comanda la capital.
What is up, guys? C10 Lalo here, back with another video, guys. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm here now, guys. And today we're gonna be taking the Mustang to get the shock fixed. The shock broke. We're finally taking it to get fixed, and then after that, we're gonna change the oil on the new C10 we got. We just got this one, so this is gonna be the new video for it. We're gonna, the interior's looking nice. Bench seat, has gauges, it has AC, everything. But yeah, we're gonna change the oil on this one. Well, first I gotta check it, because I haven't even checked the oil on it. Last video I did, last video I was gonna make was I did an oil change on this one, but that video never came out because the shock broke. And that could have been a perfect opportunity to make a video, but I was just slacking, so no more slacking, guys. But yeah, guys, let's go to the tire shop. We're gonna go fix it. Well, let me show you what's wrong with it real quick. Yeah. Look at that. You see that? That's what's wrong with that. It popped up, and then it hit the roof, and it made like a dent up here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It made a dent right there. It cracked the paint too. So yeah. This one's good, but I don't know if I want to replace both of them. I got two shocks just in case, but we're just going to replace that one, see how it rides. Because there was a squeaky noise, so I don't know if it was that, but yeah, let's go to the tire shop. I have the Mustang on the lift. They're already fixing it. Look at Richard over there. And we got Chris Fix. Say what's up, Chris Fix. Alright, guys, we just got this one done, and now Chris is doing that one over there, and it's looking pretty good right now. I like how it's black, because it used to be blue. Didn't really match because it's black and red and chrome, so it's all black now. Little touches to the car. Alright, guys, and now the truck is dead, so we're gonna hook it up to the TRX. My sister went to get the keys real quick for it because I left them in my room and I don't want to go up. So yeah, we're about, the TRX is right here, guys. We haven't had a vlog on this one, but a vlog on this one's coming soon. I want to wash it real quick before I do a vlog on it, because like I want it to be clean. But yeah, guys, we got a TRX right here, the Hellcat engine, 6.2 supercharged. So yeah, but yeah, guys, right now we're gonna go change the oil on this one, because look, let me show you the oil. The oil's bad. We just got this one like a week ago, and I forgot to check the oil. Can't see it. Look, black oil. So that's bad. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to change the oil. Say hi, Emma. She gonna be recording us today. All right. What you think? What you think? Yeah, guys, and we got Papa Smurf right here. Just waiting. Alright guys, now we're gonna hook up the cables to the truck. What, bib? We're gonna go to Joe Bob's, we're gonna go put some gas in. Then we're gonna go to O'Reilly's, get some oil, so we do an oil change on it. Let me show you the truck real quick. I think those are 20s, I'm not for sure. I don't know. We got the step side. We got Emma's bike right here. We're gonna put some air on it. Little clean interior. Not really, it's a lot of rust, but digital gauge. The AC works. We got the seats. We don't got a system yet, so we're rocking with the boom box. Yes, sir. Alright guys, we're gonna put some gas in real quick, cause about to run on E, so hopefully we don't run on E over there. Alright guys, we're at the tire shop now. About to get all the oil out and I'm gonna show you how to do an oil change. The oil we're using is 10 W30 GTX tails to extend vehicle life, because it's not an old engine, but it's a pretty old engine, so we gotta take care of it. So we're putting this one. 5 quarts is all it needs. And then the filter we're using is a Wix filter. I like this brand because I always been using this brand, so this is what we're gonna use. You recording, Emma?
Is that the oil?
Yeah. Alright guys, buy y'all's merch guys. That helps a lot with the trucks, you know, all these projects, and we got no money. So buy y'all's merch so we can start doing more videos and stuff guys. And I'll catch you on the next one.